Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here again to unbox something that's very special to me. I wanted to unbox this with my previous stuff that I got for Christmas, however it did not arrive and I got it today. It's right here. If you've watched my video in the last one, you may know that I was missing camera to go with my gimbal and lens. So here it is. After a month-long wait, it has finally arrived. I was not expecting this to come or even to unbox before 2021, but it's 31st and I have this here with me, so I'm quite excited, and let's go ahead and get the unboxing done. Here's the knife. I don't cut many stuff, it's only the new boxes that I get to unbox, and that's the only time I use the knife. So no, other than that, I also use when I am cooking. I forgot about that. So let's get this down. So there's actually a fun story with this. I didn't think I would get this, and there were a lot of reviews on the site saying people didn't receive and they got the refund instead. So I was praying that that wouldn't happen to me, and it was today laying outside the door. I wasn't even home, but luckily I collected and it's here in front of me, so quite happy and quite blessed to be unboxing it right now. Oops. Like, here's the big reveal. There you go. Sony's a7c. Wow, here comes the camera. So this is basically a treat. There were two colors to go with, the full black, and then there was this with silver and black. So I kind of wanted to go full black, but then this looked kind of classic and looked really good when I watched videos on YouTube. So yeah, it looks kind of good, and I'm excited because for an amateur vlogger like myself, I think this would be really nice. Phone. So I've been kind of playing with this for a while now, and it kind of feels sturdy and good grip. Also, it's very aesthetically pleasing, so yeah, I'm very excited about this. So to get to point, let's fix the camera now with the lens that I have and the gimbal. Oh no, I haven't fixed the battery yet. So I know where the battery goes. It's right here. So I have the battery right here. I don't know why, but I'm nervous. Nervous with everything. Alright, this in place. So, yoo-hoo! Turned on! So I need to set this up first. Well, finally, I've set this up, the camera and the lens. Now moving on to a tough one, that is to assemble everything onto the new gimbal DJI RSC2. For this one, I've done the unboxing last week, so if you'd like to see or watch my unboxing video, I'll leave the link up here. So here is the gimbal. Sounds slick. So finally, I think it's ready. So I'm going to begin the test here. Okay, connect gimbal before using this function. Okay. Now I have to tell you, it is quite heavy. So it's done, and it says excellent, excellent, excellent. Woof! So here it is. It has a pretty good stability. Took me 2 attempts, although I did it last time. Still, it seemed a bit rusty when I tried it this time. So, yeah. And also, with all this setup, I forgot to unbox or to show you that I also got the filter to go with this lens. I got this from Amazon for 60 euro, and this has 9 adjustable stops, which I still need to try. Yeah, I guess a lot of unboxing now. This is not coming out. So here's the lens, filter. So it's quite expensive for the filter, but I guess this whole thing deserves this kind of lens, since I've already spent over 3.5 grand. So finally, let's keep this all aside. To everyone watching this video here, the lens Sigma 24-70 mm with Sony a7c. We have this setup ready here. Before buying this, we have not seen on the DJI website claiming that it could be compatible. However, we've done the whole thing right here in front of you and we found that it's compatible. So in case you're looking to buy this kind of setup, you can go ahead, and it is compatible. So we've just proved that. And I'm quite glad that we went with our hunch and it worked. Also, we need to actually go out and test it to say that it's actually compatible. However, when we calibrate it, it kind of seems that it is compatible. So I hope you liked my hard work setting the whole thing up. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. And if you have any queries, please comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much. Bye.